Welcome to the Scottish Event Campus in Glasgow. Follow me. So hi, I'm Jenny McLeod. I'm Partnership Sales Manager here at the Scottish Event Campus. I develop commercial partnerships for mostly the OVO Hydro, but the wider SEC as well. Today we're in the SEC Centre, part of the Scottish Event Campus. This venue hosts a huge number of events, including international conferences from across the world, live entertainment events and immersive exhibition experiences.
Across the whole campus we have 14 LED screens, 12 of which were installed very recently within an intensive 12-month period. Today we're here in the OVO Hydro, which is our live entertainment arena. It's one of the busiest in the world. Accommodates around 150 shows a year and has a capacity of just over 14,500. Elsewhere on campus we have the SEC Armadillo, which is a 3,000 capacity theatre, and we have the SEC Centre, which is our 5 large exhibition halls and conference meeting spaces of all shapes and sizes. We're really proud of the architecture here at the SEC. We've got unique buildings, but that can make retrospective technical installations somewhat challenging, especially when you're hanging them to the wall. My name's James Walker and I head up the technical and production team here at the Scottish Event Campus. So that means I'm part of a large team of operatives, technicians and managers, and we deliver all the technical and production elements of the events we do here at the SEC. I think first and foremost what impressed me from a technical perspective was the ability of digiLED to take into consideration our very specific site requirements. digiLED worked tirelessly with our engineering team to make sure that everything was dealt with precision.
Today I'm at the OVO Hydro Arena within the SEC complex, and I'm standing in front of the welcome wall, which is one of the 10 screens that we've installed in the SEC. The welcome wall is very unique because it's tilted at 30 degrees, and effectively it's three faceted surfaces on effectively a cone. We arrived in Scotland probably 2 years ago or there, and we looked at the welcome wall, which was a green surface with some LCDs on it, and we were asked, can we put an LED up there? And we go, of course we can, because that's what digiLED, that's what we do. We love challenges. My name is David Gunn. I'm a technical sales manager, but I'm also a project manager at digiLED, and I get involved when we have custom projects, let's say, and I've been doing it for many years, but this installation at SEC is very much a custom installation, which was an excellent challenge, and I loved it. So we had to do a survey, find out where we could mount the subframe to, and then how we could mount it. The superstructure of the building is behind there, and we've actually got to interface to that, and we interface to that with what's called as stubs. These stubs present mounting points to a substructure, which is a heavy-duty frame. We put our aluminium Rexroth frame on top of that to give us the accuracy that we need for an LED structure. An LED structure needs something in the order of 0.2 of a millimetre for accuracy to allow you to have a seamless picture that you see there.
The addition of the welcome wall in the Hydro has definitely opened up different commercial opportunities for us. It's allowed us to offer our current partners a new marketing asset. When we're approaching prospective partners, it allows us to promote a fantastic opportunity for them for bespoke messaging. One real advantage of using digital signage over the printed signage that we've had for a number of years is sustainability. That's a huge driver in what we do at the SEC, so that is really important. Also for event organisers, conference organisers who are spending a huge amount of money on printed materials, it means that they can save money.
With a venue as busy as ours, we have to need to get things right first time. We're dealing with very tight tenancies windows when it comes to installation, and digiLED could work with us, understood that and got it right, and we're really impressed with the results. We've got really ambitious sustainability goals, and we're committed to net zero by 2030. So any new project that we undertake, any new asset that we purchase is really heavily interrogated from an environmental point of view. Right from the outset, I was able to display that the ZEUS technology would give us significant carbon savings over the period of operation. We get cost savings and a more sustainable digital portfolio, which is really a win-win for our operational performance and our environmental goals. The ability to power down the screens without compromising performance allows us to be in complete control of what we're doing with them without impacting the visitor experience, which we find a huge benefit. any amount of downtime or unpredictability can have really significant consequences for our customers, for our commercial partners, for our clients, and for our colleagues as well. So having the new screens in place has given us so much comfort in terms of reliability.
The digital campus has opened up a wealth of opportunities across the campus for us. For example, our partner brands can now have specific targeted messages to an audience standing outside our merch units. That means that if they want to push a particular product on a particular night, they can easily and quickly change that message on the digital screen. Our promoters can also upsell and cross-sell their events to various audiences that are coming into the OVO Hydro too, so it opens up a wealth of opportunity commercially for us as a business.
These new screens are really future-proofing things for us, whether that's 3D imagery on the welcome wall or immersive visuals on the other screens. We can accommodate it, we're ready for it. These screens are just the beginning for us really. We want to stay innovative in the venue space, we want to lead the way regards digital signage, and I'm really keen to move forward with more installations looking across our entire campus and bringing as much benefit to our customers and clients as we can. digiLED have been fantastic partners to us throughout this entire process. Right from the off, we were convinced about their commitment to quality products, to sustainability, to innovation, and they've certainly delivered on that. On the ground, the delivery team became pretty close colleagues for an extended period of time, and they were excellent to work with.